Hi, I'm Melissa Gonzalez, elite artist and master colorist with Fruit Systems. And today I'm going to show you how to easily and successfully color your hair at home utilizing the new Avon She Essentials Hair Color Kit. As you can see, we have our model Mabel. Mabel chose the color 50-7R, which is a light auburn red. This kit includes a set of instructions, bottle number 1 with peroxide, bottle number 2 with color, your applicator tip, your replenishing shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, repairing serum, plastic cap, and gloves. So before we begin, a quick tip: we suggest you use a black towel as well as a black shirt to make your process a lot faster, easier, and cleaner. Unscrew and remove the cap from the application bottle number 1 and pour entire contents of bottle number 2 into the application bottle number 1. Place the applicator cap on the application bottle number 1. Wear enclosed gloves and remove the applicator cap cover. Hold the applicator cap tip with gloved finger and shake to mix the color. Point away from the face when shaking. After mixing the color completely, you are ready to apply your hair color. Do not reseal applicator cap cover after adding color. Use the color mixture on unwashed dry hair. Part hair into 4 even sections. Using the applicator tip, apply the color mixture to the root area until fully saturated. After the root area is fully covered, apply leftover color mixture to the sections. Massage from roots to ends until hair is fully saturated and the color is evenly distributed. Gather hair loosely on top of your head. Cover with enclosed cap. Leave color on the hair 30 minutes or 45 minutes for resistant gray. So we are back here with our beautiful model Mabel, and as you guys can see, this is her beautiful ending result. Beautiful, shiny, red color from roots to ends. Mabel chose a color 57R, which is a light auburn red. And if you guys can remember, her hair was a little darker. So our target color ended up being a medium auburn red. After she processed for 30 minutes, she followed it up with the replenishing shampoo, rinsed it with cool water, followed it up with moisturizing conditioner, and also added a few drops of the repairing serum. And as you guys can see, her color came out beautiful, shiny, and just that perfect amount of red.